Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Cursor AI on Mac operating system. So, are you ready? Let's get started. First, you should open your browser and type Cursor AI. And www.cursor.com. This is the official website of Cursor AI where you can download the software. Click on that. So I'm going to download for macOS. Click on download for Mac. I have already downloaded the software, so I am going to cancel it. Okay, and now I'm going to download go to into download folder. As you can see, this is the software which I have downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to open it. That's how you can install the software on macOS. Just drag and drop into application folders. As you can see, copying the cursor, right? That's how you can download and install Cursor AI on Mac OS. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much in advance. Let's check it if the installation has been successfully installed or not. Cursor AI, as you can see, the software has been successfully installed on Mac OS. That's it guys. See you in the next video.